How to make your navigation bar transparent in Squarespace. So here I am in my Squarespace website dashboard, and then let's go to the website editor. So from here, just click website and then click edit. So I have my navigation menu right here, and then if you want to make it transparent, the easiest way that you can do it is that you can click edit site header, click edit design, and then from here go to color and then just choose adaptive right here. And then what this does is that it will automatically adjust its design according to the color of your website. So most notably, the color of your first section right here. So for example, if I change the section right here to have an image, let's say I will choose a stock image right here from Squarespace, click add image, and then once the image is here, as you can see, the header adjusts its look to have like this transparent look for your website. And then if I click save and then exit, we now have this look for our header right here. But if you have, like for example, if you have like the sticky header, as you can see, it will adjust its look to have this black color right here. So you just have this kind of like transparent effect whenever you are in the very top of the website. So for example, if you don't want the header to follow you whenever you scroll up or down, you can click edit site header, go to edit design, then from here, turn off the fixed position. So if I turn that off, click save, and then exit, I now have this header or the navigation menu right here just stays at the top of the website. So when I scroll down or scroll up, it doesn't follow the user around. So if you want like a different effect for your transparent navigation bar right here, so what we can do as well is that we can click edit site header, click edit design, go to color, and instead of adaptive, you can also choose gradient if you want, but it will have this kind of like gradient color effect. So you can choose the color that you want to have right here. So right now I have the white background color. You can change it to different colors, like for example, red, like that. And then you can also change the navigation color. Right now it's in black, but you can choose a different color like this. But I prefer having the black color like this. And then you can just adjust the background right here by having this blur effect if you want to have this kind of transparent effect where it has like kind of this blurred look behind our navigation menu. So you can also use that if you want this transparent effect for your navigation bar. And then you can change the amount of blur by adjusting the values right here. And then you can also change the opacity of your gradient right here if you prefer having a less opacity for your gradient. You can also choose a solid background color right here, and then we can bring the opacity a little bit lower so that we still have this transparent header effect. You can also choose a blur background right here if you prefer having the look that way. And then when I click save, and then for example, let's make this a fixed header or like a sticky navigation bar. Now we still have this transparent effect for our navigation menu, and then it will be like this when we scroll up or down in the website. So it still has that transparent look. And then that's basically it. So those are different ways that you can make your navigation transparent in Squarespace. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.